It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, happy Vlogmas Day 3. That's 6, but happy Vlogmas Day 3. I am so out of my game right now. I have no idea what I'm gonna even film today. So, right now, I'm drinking coffee and getting ready for work because, you know, I work full time. Don't mind the light back there because when I get ready in the morning, I don't have enough natural light and the normal light is really crappy. So, don't mind that. I'm gonna get ready for the morning. It's Monday. Mason's whining because he hates Mondays. I should probably put my tripod on, but I kind of don't feel like it. So you're just gonna have to see like my half face. So, what are we gonna talk about today? Well, I don't really know. I'm like out of ideas. Usually I have like stuff that, I'm getting another pimple. That's just great. All right, hair is done. It's just gonna be what it is. It's a little frizzy, but I put stuff in my hair to like frizz it down a little, but whatever. So, anyways, my hair is done. Makeup's just basic. And I will film you later. Cookies.